fly, butterfly, bee, louse, cockroach, spider, grasshopper. 13th chapter, animals which their young ones are animals give breath to their young ones. Some animals lay eggs. Lay eggs. Babies come out after some days from these eggs. Babies of animals have special names. Animals babies: cow, calf, tiger, cub, dog, puppy, hen, chick, duck, duckling, cat, catting, horse called sheep, lamb. 14th chapter, homes of animals, birds and insects. All animals need home. Different animals live in different homes. Some animals live in special homes. Rabbit live in burrows. Mouse and snake live in holes. Lion live in a den. Horse live in the stable. Honeybee live in the birds live in the nest. Dog live in the snake. Cow and buffalo live in the shed. Hen live in the coop. 15th chapter, safety first. Safety on the road. Walk carefully on the road. Use a zebra crossing when you cross a road. Walk. Always walk on the footpath. Do not play on the road. Do not throw anything on the road. Items may face an accident. Also make a queue. Then you wait for a bus. Do not get down while the bus is moving. Do not touch animals. Safety at home. Do not use